Hey guys, this is Daniel with Supreme Auto Glass, and today we got the new Bison. So it is the same style as the bat. So it's double spooled, just that this one has a much bigger cup. So this is more for heavy duty applications, for semis and such. But today we're gonna show you how it works on this T1. So it's the same setup as the bat, and yeah. So this is the bits for the bat, and these are the ones for the Bison. So it's a much more heavier duty. Okay. So we got set this P10. Just super tight, nothing in the way. So even though the glass broke, the cord still came out fine. It's just that these Volkswagens sometimes they come really tight, but it was still able to slide through. So new Bison, it's gonna be out in a couple of months, but we're gonna make a lot more videos showing how we do more than anything heavy duty trucks. So more semis, to get the feel for it, and also get some videos with the Pro 6, as we can use this one as the anchor cup. So for heavier duty applications. Alrighty, so it wasn't part of the plan, but we're gonna use the Pro 6 to set it. So here we got the Bison already on the door. And it works as the base for the Pro 6. So just gonna get that boy. And this one, gonna remove the Bison and set this one. Just make sure to take off this one before opening the door, otherwise you're gonna do some real damage. So this one is gonna be for the heavier, for the Kenworths, for the Freightliners, for the, you know, all of them. This is gonna be the one to help you out. So it'll be coming out soon.